When they were talking about the pump and the upper and lower ball possibly getting stuck, this is a good way to tell if you've got an upper or lower ball problem. So doing the stall check, you trigger the gun and you'll see the pump moving, and with that pressure, there you go. See the pump moving left and right. Do that on the filter, it should stop. If it doesn't stop, then that means that your upper ball has an issue, it's not seating properly. And then you do the same thing, take it down to the downstroke. If it continues to run, you have a problem with your lower ball. It's not seating properly, it could be debris, it could be a bad ball, it could be a bad seat. So just trigger it, and if it stops, you're good. If it doesn't,
If it continues on in the upstroke, upper ball. If it continues in the downstroke, lower ball. Easy to identify where your problem is.